Hello guys and welcome to Hakman Traders. In this video I'll be showing to you guys why trading is sometimes difficult for beginners, or not sometimes but why trading is difficult for beginners. Most of the traders out there face difficulties in trading. Like they say that when they are beginners, they are new to the stock market, they face losses, they face difficulties while trading in the stock market. It is usually that they might or might not know about they might or might not have the knowledge about of trading. Knowledge is also important, but experience is much more important than knowledge. As when you start trading in the stock market and time passes on, like a month, 2 3, maybe 6 months, a year, then you will gain experience and you will know how the stock market works. Because at different phases the stock market, well, at the beginning, if I say that, if there's a phrase that cut your losses and run in profits. Well, in the beginning your losses are too many and your profit is very less. So that is the scene in the beginning of the while you're a trader as a beginner. So that type of thing you will face in the stock market. And once you knew how to trade the stocks, how to trade different stock, how to trade in the stock market, once you're an experienced trader, then you would have no difficulties in the stock market, because you know where to trade and where to not trade. So that is the difference. The only difference is experience. When you have experience in the stock market, when you knew where to enter and when to exit, that is the most important thing that you will have to know in the stock market. Because the stock market relies on these two things: entry and exit points. Where to enter a certain stock and where to exit a certain stock. So so other than that, before you start trading in the stock market, you must know, you must have a profound knowledge about the stock market, of how the stock market works, where to apply a certain strategy, where generally you must learn all of the things that should be learned while trading, before trading in the before you start trading in the stock market. Now, to know, you must know how to use indicators. So I would name those correctly. You must know how to use the indicators like the RSI, the moving average, the parabolic SAR, the Ichimoku cloud, and many others, and momentum, and many others like this. So these are some of the indicators that I use, but there are many more that you can use in the stock market. Once you knew how to trade in the stock market, then you will have your own set of indicators that you would use before buying a certain stock. Now, you it is also necessary for you to learn different strategies, because strategies are important. You must know how to apply a certain strategy at a certain time. So applying a certain strategy can sometimes be difficult, but you will have to recognize areas where to apply a certain strategy. Now, strategies are also important, indicators are also important to use while trading in the stock market. The other thing is that you must know the risk to reward ratio, the take profits, and the risk margin. You should also know things about this. You must know how to use those as well, because those are the most important things in the stock market. The stock market all depends, your trading all depends upon risk margin and take profit. So for risk margin, you are recognizing that if a stock goes down in value, you will be exiting that stock. And if the stock is going up in value, like your take profit should be maximum. So those are the few things that you should know before starting to trade in the stock market. other than that other than that, while I said gaining an experience, because you see right here, for new beginners, for me as well, I thought this was a bearish market, this move. But further on, as trading goes on, I recognize that this wasn't a bearish market, this was just a downside move, a correction or a pullback. Other than that, you can see the stock moved upward. So so let me show you where you can apply certain strategies. Now right here, this is the support level. Now if you recognize this area as your support level, you definitely know that the stock won't go below this trend line, this the support level, and it will trade above the support level. So if you're new to trading, you will definitely face problems while recognizing areas like these. So if you do not know strategies like this, if you do not know things like this, then it is difficult for you to trade in the stock market, because the stock market, it's all about using the indicators, the tools, the strategies, different tips, different tricks that you can use in the stock market, that you will have to use in the stock market. Now you can see right here, like I've shown to you, that this is the support level, so the stock won't go down below the support level, it will rather trade above. You can see amid two price rejections appeared at this level, so you can see the stock started to trade upward. So this is the magic of using different tools, indicators and strategies. I'm saying all three of them because all three of them are important for trading in the stock market. So it might so trading trading for new traders, or trading for beginners is difficult, because of the things that I've mentioned right here. They do not know how to use strategies, and it's mostly I will set all of those aside, it's mostly because of not having enough experience. So it's all about experience. When you do not have enough experience to trade in the stock market, then we've got a problem, and you will face losses and difficulties while trading in the stock market. The stock market is very, it requires experience, and it is a very it is a game that very few people can play. So it is a and when you're trading in the trading stocks, you would learn many new things while trading the stock market. So it's a learnable experience, sorry, experience, you will gain experience, but it's a learnable journey. So enjoy the journey of stocks, and do not, you can see, do not hesitate, do not be like, I do not know things that much about stocks. So do not give up trading, because trading is all about so the biggest risk is when you are out of the market. The biggest risk in the stock market is when you're out of the market, when you're not trading in the market. So that is the most biggest risk. Other than that, trade in the stock market. When you lose money, you will gain experience. When you put bad trades, so you lose money, and that will be experience for you. You will gain experience through those things. So, and that's it for today. Hope you guys are enjoying my videos and want to learn more about the stock market or the forex market. All I need you is to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button and comment down below, as your feedback is valuable for me. Goodbye.